Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can block absolutely all incoming calls and notifications on your iPhone. Please subscribe to our channel, write your comments after watching the video, and also do not forget to put your likes. And let's get started. So, first of all, you and I need to go to the settings of the phone. And in the settings, we go to the section called Focus. And then we need to select the very first option, Do Not Disturb. And thanks to this item, we can set the blocking of calls and notifications. Once you've gone to Do Not Disturb, here you can customize, for example, the people who will still be able to call or text you when you enable this mode. You can, of course, choose to have absolutely no one bother you. Like this. Or you can choose to be disturbed at least by someone, for example, by a call or an SMS. Further down, you will see that you can add people from your contact list who can call you, for example, or write even in the Do Not Disturb mode. To do this, click on plus, and then find this contact, or you can search by name in the search bar. And you can also turn on the option here to allow repeat calls, if you need to. You can also choose who you allow notifications from. You can allow them from everyone or no one, or from certain users. Also, you're in this Do Not Disturb mode. You can choose, for example, which apps can send you any messages and notifications. For example, in my case, it's phone and Telegram, because usually, for example, someone might call in some kind of emergency, or some important message might come that I need to respond to. You'll also be able to choose a wallpaper for Do Not Disturb mode here, so you know exactly what you're on and you don't get confused. Then there's a very important feature, which is the schedule. And if you go to it, you will see that here you can activate it. Once activated, you choose the time in which you will not be disturbed. That is, what time the Do Not Disturb mode will be active on a daily basis. As you can see, I have it active daily. You can choose, for example, only on weekdays. You can also select here the times you want to be not disturbed. For example, when you're sleeping, so that no one calls or texts. And after you've set all of this up, you can exit the settings. And further, to activate Do Not Disturb, you don't have to go into your phone settings every time. You can just swipe down from the right side of the screen. Here you will also see a shortcut like Focus. You tap on it. And here you'll see the Do Not Disturb mode, which you can activate. As you can see, my screensaver changed immediately. And you can also, if you click on the three dots after the word Do Not Disturb, you can select the time that you want to be disturbed for, like 1 hour or 1 day or until you turn it off. This is how you can block all incoming calls and notifications on your iPhone. Please subscribe to our channel. Be sure to write your likes. Also put your comments and see you later, friends.